Guess who's here? Guess what? It's my birthday.
I dropped the can and it's my birthday.
I know. Let's go. We're going to do a challenge too, actually. Who can eat a Freddo the fastest and who can drink
the Freddo?
the Diet Pepsi the fastest. Let's go. Let's go, 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 go. We're going into PJ's again.
And my birthday. It's my birthday.
I'm going to spend some money. Pretty lady. Pretty lady.
Spend my money.
Right at the camera. No, see what it does. My lad in. Hello, Trina. No.
No, yes. Right, no, it won't hurt ya. Right. George. Leon, what's it?
He scares me.
Stop it.
Please, please.
No, Mum's got him.
No, but he can still get me.
No, stream eye. He can't because he's got to come on.
Right, let's go. Shut the gate.
I can't have it anymore. The way I'm doing it.
Okay, then.
This is my protocol from room.
Right,
This is going to be yours.
No, it's not. Who drank the most of it? Right. Okay, then that's going to be mine. So you can drink
But hold it. 3.
No! That's going to be squirting out when I drink it.
Yeah, but just go. 3.
Not yet.
2.
No!
And
Go! No! Oh, the people can't see. I forgot.
gonna stick it there, okay, guys?
What? 3. No! It's not squirting out anymore. Hold on. It's squirting out. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Oh, it came straight back out. Oh, it came straight back out in my mouth.
First to drink half of it. I'm done. You drank all of it?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, well.
He's drank all of it, guys. Look. Look at, hold mine.
Jesus Christ, it's got a lot in there.
Right, PJ won that one, of course.
I'm going to win this one.
There you go. Right, we need to get it out the packet first. PJ's a
See,
big
look. Big fat alien mother.
Freddo. 3, 2, 1, go.
No, wait.
3, 2, 1, go. Whoa!
Right, we've got to have a break. Ow. Well. Again. The 2 challenges, what we've done, turns out that I won.
I'm still eating.
I'm still eating. That looks totally wrong.
Done.
And this is my birthday, so let's show you my cards. They're mine.
Look
And
at
then-
this one.
And that's my one. And thank you for watching Gloria's video.
Can you dare? Where are we going? Where are you going?
Can you come with? You want to come with? Come.
Where?
You want to come with?
Where are we going?
Let's down King's Mead.
Okay. Okie dokie. Should we do a vlog of that going in the car? Should we do a vlog going in the car? If I'm loud.
Yeah, you ain't about to stay on your own, will you? 'Cause the dogs, you coming?
Okay. No, please, hold them. Poppy's fine, it's just Brian.
If it would go and bite you, it wouldn't be able to. Leave with that comb on his head.
Right, quick. We're going on a
In the shop, right, I'm dropping nearly every piece of the bread off my burger. What I brought.
Just shut up a minute, Peach.
We're going on a trip in our favourite rocket ship.
Please.
We're going on a trip
In our favourite rocket ship.
Oh, guys, we haven't showed you my motorbike.
Oh, look at that.
It's a real motorbike.
No, it's not. Show them your engine then. It's a bike. See, because there's the pedals. Guess how much it costs?
The fuck?
250 quid.
Pounds. It was a bargain.
It was 249.99, wasn't it?
My parents are rich.
Okay. Wait, pop, please.
Peach, slide over,
You
mate.
did that last time.
Aww.
What?
Leon's car's knackered. Hear it? That sounds wrong.
We can't stop it. Oh, yeah, we can.
Jumping then.
We're
That
going.
sounds really weird.
Oh, no.
I've never heard that before.
Right, can't see anything yet. No, I'm going to do.
And this is my favourite person here.
It's Chubby.
It's
Move on, putting the camera somewhere.
no, what does it say? Zombie shot. Zombie shot.
They're just...
He's my favourite person.
Right, leave it there because it can see the front
It
there.
will just go forward.
Okay, then I'm going to move it in a minute.
Just hold it. But while I'm doing this video, you're uploading it onto YouTube. You can't show anyone the number plate on any car on this. You know that?
Yes.
Because you will get arrested. You didn't.
What about the front one?
We're going on a trip in a favourite rocket ship. Zooming high.
BJ.
Oh, I see that.
Hello, guys. So
You know when you went over to this thingy, is the Chinese open?
don't know. Hello. Mum, did you see that lighter in his hand now?
Yeah, I know some.
I know, Nathan.
Yeah, I bought him some crackers that time, didn't I? At Halloween.
Don't tell anyone. You're going to get arrested.
About what?
More different facts of Halloween.
No, I bought them from the shop when we went to the casino.
Oh, yeah. Oh, do you know what? I'm watching this thing on YouTube, right? And this. No, I bought a carrot. So, hello, guys. And so the other day, me and Corey was watching something on the internet. And we saw someone, right?
I don't think it's open today, is it?
It was on Halloween night. I think it was this year, yeah. No, last year, shall I say? Because it hasn't been this year, obviously. It was last year's Halloween. And someone gave kids four like trick or treats when they went to his house. Right, he gave them bags and a lighter. I'm not joking. Even type it in on the internet. Even typing it on YouTube, everywhere.
We went trick-or-treating last year, with all of us, didn't we?
Yeah.
And that kid over there, he gave us like so many, didn't he? He gave us tons.
So then
Shout out to him.
Who the hell? Stepdad.
Who are them?
Aww. We've got that
Think
thing.
it's Tractor?
It's not Shannon's. It was kids.
Cody's?
No, it was one. The one. up
Cody's
from it.
friend, the girl.
Yeah.
I know. What shall we look at when we...
Mini slap no turn. No, you can't do that now. What? We're on a video. Literally, guys, it is. Do you know what he was trying to do the other day in my new clothes? He was trying to kick me and it was raining.
No, I weren't.
Yesterday, he was trying to kick me there. Oh yeah, guys.
Look at his t-shirt.
What's it on?
Let's have a look. Everlast. I used to have a coat of that.
We're going on
a
it. We would have. Oh no, wait, how many minutes has it been? You've got a thing on it. Where it,
10 minutes.
no, we've only got 5
Now you're just
minutes
gonna.
left.
Now you're just gonna look at this.
Just had a can of Pepsi dead quick. I'm about to go drink some, then let me have a quick breather. Only like 1 second breather, and then have some more.
What school are you going to?
Hey, it's George. You got your cooking?
Say hi, George.
Where were you?
I was walking my girlfriend back.
Really?
Slam my door, I don't know.
He was working his girlfriend back.
Not working out his girlfriend. He was working out his
My legs. PJ, did you notice it's a Chinese was open earlier?
Was it?
I don't know. I didn't really look.
When did they have their days off? Is it Monday or Tuesday?
It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday.
I'm going on a trip in a fairy rocket ship. Corey, end the video now.
It's only on 12 minutes.
So yeah, we're on boring stuff these days. But yeah.
No, it's not boring. People enjoy these, don't you guys?
Yeah, you do enjoy it, but it's mostly my work because if I didn't have my birthday today and I did, and I already had it this year, and he didn't have his channel, then we wouldn't be standing here talking to you now. Would
This
we?
is my channel, my tools.
No, so
So, zip it. Throw the key away into the drain.
oh. No, Corey, let's do this with the camera. I'm to your face, just go.
Go.
I meant because I'm
Go.
No, you go like that. No, don't do it fast, just go.
Whoa, he's shaking my
Wait.
head. Okay, we're going over bumpy stuff. Have you noticed something about my hair? Yeah, it's out.
Did you do a video on the first time you had that hearing about the hearing what you got?
Yes. 2 minutes. It's on 22.
It's not.
Not really, it's on 15. We're going on a trip.
In a fairy rocket ship. So now, but we haven't got any much time left.
Not really, we've got a minute left.
We've got a minute left, but that's the most minutes we've got. So yeah, this was a good video, guys. And we
Anyway,
really
guys,
do.
in 2 days, I've told them already, American candy.
Candy. Candy, you
Candy.
dumb wit.
Candy. Did Leon beat us? Where did Leon go?
Guys, no, seriously, you can't film anymore.
It's only on. We got 15 seconds.
So today, guys, it's been a really good day. So goodbye.
If you enjoyed this episode, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon.
And
To-
good. and punch that like a boss.
PJ, if you don't shut up in the next 10 seconds.
Like a boss.